Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade pickle relish. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, then move on to crafting the perfect sweet and tangy brine. Proper sterilization of your canning jars is crucial for food safety, so we'll cover that too. Get ready to enjoy delicious, homemade relish that's far superior to anything store-bought. Once your vegetables are washed, it's time to chop them. Aim for small, consistent pieces for the best texture in your relish. After chopping, we'll combine them with salt. This step is vital as it helps draw out excess moisture, preventing your relish from becoming watery. Let them soak for a few hours, then drain well. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. Quick recommendation: all that chopping and cooking can be thirsty work. Stay hydrated with an Eau water bottle, perfect for keeping your water cold. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After soaking, rinse your vegetables very well to remove the salt. Now, it's time to combine them with your delicious pickling brine in a large pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. We'll cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the relish has thickened slightly. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. With your relish cooked, it's time for canning. Carefully ladle the hot relish into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Remove any air bubbles, wipe the rims clean, and then apply the lids and bands. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a safe and lasting seal. Let them cool completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.